The short video starts in 20 seconds, so make sure to watch until the very end to discover how dates may actually help natural labor, and watching until the end of the short video helps support our channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond. Number 1. Dates are very beneficial for your bone health. The secret to great bone health is high amounts of trace minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and copper. Dates are packed full of the bone strengthening compounds we require, such as magnesium, calcium, copper, potassium, and many more. All these minerals have been shown to help strengthen bones and even prevent osteoporosis, which is a disease where the bones become very fragile and brittle. Number 2. Eating dates can also be very advantageous to your brain health. This goes hand in hand with dates having anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown that dates were successful at lowering something called interleukin in the brain. High levels of interleukin are linked to many brain diseases such as Alzheimer's. They also help to remove something called amyloid beta proteins, which can build up brain plaque. When you have too much brain plaque, it can interrupt communication between brain cells, resulting in brain cell apoptosis, which is the death of a cell. Obviously, this can lead to things like Alzheimer's disease. All of this is thanks to the antioxidant effects from the date's flavonoid compounds. Number 3. Dates contain high amounts of fiber. Fiber is very important for your general health. Specifically, it's great for your digestive health because it prevents constipation by promoting a healthy bowel movement. Fiber is also great for diabetics as well because it controls blood sugar levels. Fiber slows down digestion and may prevent blood sugar levels from spiking too high after a meal. Dates are also seen on the low side of the glycemic index, which measures how quickly a food will spike your blood sugar levels. Number 4. Dates actually have 3 superpowered antioxidants that help to fight off diseases. Antioxidants protect your cells from free radical damage, which can cause diseases in the body. The first are called carotenoids, which are best known for keeping up your eye health and preventing things like age-related macular degeneration. The next one is flavonoids, which help to reduce inflammation and can even go as far as possibly preventing the risk of cancer. Lastly, we have phenolic acid, which is well known for lowering the risk of cancer and preventing heart disease. Number 5. Did you know that dates can help to promote a more natural labor? Studies show that eating these fruits during the last few weeks of pregnancy may help to promote cervical dilation and possibly lower the need of inducement for labor. The study even goes as far to say that it could even reduce labor time. It's also said that they can copy the effects of oxytocin in the body. Oxytocin is the hormone that causes the contractions during childbirth. It's also worth noting that dates have a lot of natural sugars, which are vital to maintain during childbirth. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.